Hi there, my name is Michael Rand and I'm the inventor of Night Bliss. I'll guess that if you're watching this, either you or someone close to you is a hot sleeper or hot flasher and having a rough time getting enough sleep. If so, the next 4 minutes introduces an ultra-powerful bed cooling system that guarantees instant relief from hot flash or night sweat discomfort. Yes, we know there are several bed cooling products already on the market, including the BedJet, ChiliPad, and the various bed fans, all useful products in their own way, unless you're looking for hot flash relief. So what makes Night Bliss so much better? I'll answer that with a brief history that begins with my wife going on hormones when she started hot flashing. But after a couple of years of increasing health concerns, her doctor chose to end the hormone therapy. So then she tried various natural supplements and herbal remedies, but they didn't seem to help much either, even after weeks of trying and hoping. So then we looked into bed cooling products, but again were disappointed. They all seemed designed to set and hold a steady bed temperature, but not to handle the sudden, intense heat rush that defines a hot flash. As you probably know, when a flash hits, the only thing that eases discomfort is a strong blowing wind over the whole body. So that's what I designed, a very powerful fan array that easily installs at the end of the bed, between the sheets, near the feet. The 12-mile-per-hour wind it produces is controlled by a programmable electronic timer. It is activated on demand in the dark while still virtually asleep, using only a wearable wireless button. In just 3 seconds, Night Bliss generates a strong air pressure that inflates the bedding, leaving you laying blissfully within a blowing wind tunnel. That stops body heat discomfort in its tracks, and you don't even have to fully wake up to use it. And the best part? With our auto-off timer, you can go immediately back to sleep, even while still flashing, because the wind will shut itself down before an after-flash chill would wake you again, shivering in frigid air. Make no mistake, this is a medical quality machine that's stunningly effective from first use to last, because it delivers precisely the cooling wind you need for true hot flash relief. And it requires virtually no physical effort or brain power to either start or stop it. It's one button. You're wearing it. You just have to push it once. Whoosh, instant relief, and you're back to sleep. Okay, here's the bottom line. By ending hot flash distress, you'll be getting more hours of natural, healthy, productive sleep. And this type of solution doesn't build a tolerance, add health risks, or age out. It remains fully effective every night for as many years as you may need it. And in case you haven't heard, a recent medical study found hot flashing can last for many, many years. But wait, there's also some good news. Using Night Bliss to relieve night hot flashing brings with it an unexpected silver lining. Many users report the Night Bliss wind transforms their hot flash misery into a state of incredibly blissful pleasure, while it cools the body and eases your anxiety. After years of using it 4 to 6 times a night, my wife still loves it. She calls it her tunnel of pleasure, and she's not alone. Reviewers on Amazon are raving, awarding it 5 stars unanimously. So why not try Night Bliss for a month? There's no risk, not to your health or your pocketbook. If for any reason it doesn't work out, we'll graciously take it back with our thanks for giving it a try. But if you're a hot sleeper or hot flasher, we predict you'll wonder how you got any real sleep without it. To conclude, I promised my wife I would solve her nightly misery. I kept that promise. So now that becomes my promise to you. Thank you for listening.